Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This case is made by Schnail. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. This is Schnail Titan, compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, 6.7 inch. Military grade drop protection, heavy duty full body protective case with built-in screen protector and kickstand. All right. Now, $18.99 on Prime. So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's take this out of the box. Simple box here. We keep you pounding. Not much else on the box there. Let's pull this out. You got two pieces to the case. Got a little foam there. Let's get this card out. That's just a Schnail card there with some more information there. Don't need that. Probably got some instructions in there. And then this is the top part here with some plastic on it. All right. Now, so this is the bottom piece right here. TPU sides, got some grip on it right there. You got your power button right there, volume down rocker, and your opening for your mute switch. The camera is going to be recessed, so it's well protected there. And you got a kickstand right there with Schnail branding. Got a little industrial looking screws on the back. And you got your speaker right there, speaker grill. And you got this opening for the charging port right there that's covered up, all right? Now, we'll see how this kickstand is right there. And Schnail did send me a message saying that this will get easier to open over time. So sometimes they're hard to get open, but it'll get better over time, all right? So that's good to hear, all right? But a little bit of design there, some shiny inserts on the back right there. Now this is the front cover right here. Let's pull this plastic off. Had to make this easy to get that plastic off there. That's good. So you got a covered screen protector there. You got opening for the Face ID right there. You can see that. And you know, these grooves here fit the bottom of the case. And your volume up and down rocker and all that stuff will fit in there. But you put this on first, all right? So let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here. Let's put this on first. Get the front piece on. I like to put that on first. So that fits on like that. And then everything is lined up there. You can see that. And then I'll go ahead and set it in the bottom piece right here, where the charging port is, because that needs to seat pretty accurately in the bottom there. And then once you do that, you know, you slide that down, you start fitting everything else over the rubber seams there. So get this TPU over the seams to make sure all that is good to go. As you can see, I'm going around making sure all that seated properly. There we go. Now, doesn't really make the case, the device too big, but you're well protected. You got screen protector and you got lip, a lot of lip around the device there. Your charging port is protected. You got the grills opening right there. Power button works fine, no problem. And you got your mute switch. You can get to that easily. You got big opening there, and you got your Face ID stuff open right there. All right. Camera's well protected. You can see it's not going to be a problem there. Check out this. I don't have any fingernails, so it's going to be a little hard to get out. Okay, no, this was quite easy. So that was pretty good. Slide this into place and lock it into place. Let's see how it stands up. All right. You can stand in portrait mode, and you got landscape mode right there. You can do it that way. Not sure why you would, but you could. And that's pretty cool. All right. Now, to get this up, I usually just pick up on a little bit and push forward. So that worked really well. That worked nice and easy there. No shaking or rattling or anything like that either. But this is got good grip on the side, and it's got a lot of padding, so you're gonna get good protection here. You got 360-degree protection with this case right here. All right. Now let's check out wireless charge, see how that works. Okay, let's get the wireless charger out. Let's put it on. All right, so I didn't get wireless charge yet. Let's see. This iPhone has been kind of finicky. It may not be the case itself, but okay. So it did pick up wireless charge just now. So it did pick it up. Just had to get it situated just right. Let's see what happens when you stand it up. Okay. Okay, so I didn't get wireless charge yet. I didn't get wireless charge when I stood it up. Standing up, I don't get wireless charge. Let's see what happens when you lay it to the side. Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit finicky, at least with this charger right here. It could work better with a different charger, but with this Samsung charger right here, it's a little bit finicky. But it will charge. The case will charge. You see that right there? So we'll pick up a charge, okay? And it's charging right now. Okay, so that's a quick look at the Schnail case, the Schnail Titan case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. You can get it from Amazon, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.